In this video, we'll look at expressing a given value as a base of 2 or 3. So the first example we have here is 1 over 16. So first of all, I need to decide whether or not that would be a base of 2 or 3. And because it's even, there's a good chance it's a base of 2. So if I think about what power of 2 would give me 16, I have to say 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which would be 2 to the 4. But that would be 1 over 2 to the 4. So using our laws of exponents, remember we'd like to write this as a base of 2. So in order to reciprocate the base, I need to make that 4 a negative. So 2 to the negative 4 would be the same as 1 over 16. In the second example here, we've got 1 over 9 to the 4. So again, I want to focus on the 1 over 9. Well, I know that 9 is a power of 3. So this is 1 over 3 squared. Again, it's 2 to the exponent 4. So again, I'd like to reciprocate the base. So I'd like to rewrite that as 3 to the negative 2. And that with an exponent of 4. Because it's a power of a power, I'd say that's 3 to the negative 8. So 3 to the negative 8 is equivalent to 1/9 to the power 4. The next example, we're getting into fractional exponents. So it's just important to remember that when we have a fractional exponent, the numerator represents the power or the exponent, and the 3 represents the index of some type of radical. So I'm going to focus on 27 and 81 here, both of which are powers of 3. So 27 would be 3 to the 3, and we're raising that to the exponent 2/3. For 81, firstly, I'm going to look at the cube root. So I'm going to take that and rewrite it as 81 to the 1/3 to the 6. So now in the first part of this, I've got a power of 3 multiplied by 2/3. So what would happen is those 3's would cancel, and I'd have 3 squared here in my first bracket. Next, I'm going to have to express 81 as a power of 3. So it'll be 3 to the 4, and then again times 1/3 to the 6. So I'd have 3 squared here, and then I've got 3 to the 4, and 1/3 times 6 is going to be 2. So it'd be 3 to the 8, and then 3 to the 2 times 3 to the 8, adding the exponents because they have the same base, is 3 to the 10. And the last example here, I've got 8 to the 2/3. That's going to be 2 cubed to the 2/3. Square root of 16 is 4, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And that's going to be cubed. So once again, you'll see I have 2/3 and a 3 here. So that 3 will cancel with that 3. So I have 2 squared times 2 squared cubed, meaning I've got 2 squared times 2 to the 6. Same base, add our exponents. I have 2 to the 8.